हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल एग्रीकल्चर एंड जीके। मेरा नाम है सिंचना और आज मैं आप लोगों से सीड टेक्नोलॉजी में इंट्रोडक्शन टू सीड टेक्नोलॉजी पर लेक्चर डिस्कस करूँगी। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले एक रिक्वेस्ट है, अगर आप चैनल पर नहीं हैं तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और इस वीडियो और लाइक कर शेयर कर दीजिए। तो चाहिए शुरू करते हैं वीडियो। पहले हम डिस्कस करेंगे डेफिनेशन ऑफ सीड। सीड में तीन पार्ट्स इंपॉर्टेंट है। एक है embryo, stored food material and productive coat. Embryo, it leads to development of plant. Stored food material is endosperm and a productive coat, that is tegmen and testin tegmen. Here the seed को हम कहते हैं fertilized mature ovule or a ripened ovule. A fertilized mature ovule which consists of embryo, stored food material and productive coat is called as seed, and it is the part of the plant which is used for sowing purpose to raise the plants. These are the major three definitions of seed. Next definition of seed technology given by two scientists, Cowan and Fistrister. According to Cowan, seed technology is the discipline of studies having to do with seed production, maintenance, quality and preservation. Coming to Fistrister, according to him, the methods through which genetic and physical characteristics of seeds can be improved. The technology which is used for enhancing the genetics and physical characteristics of seeds is called as seed technology, and it also involves the activities such as varietal development, evaluation and release, seed production, processing, storage and certification. This is referred to as definition of seed technology. Next, coming to role and objective and role of seed technology. From one farmer to another farmer, or the process which is involved is rapid multiplication, timely supply, assured high quality and at reasonable price. A farmer who is going to sow the seeds will need seeds in ample quality and at timely supply, means at the time of sowing, and with a high quality of seeds with assured price level. Next, coming to role. Next, it is a new carrier of seed technology, new technologies, and it is a basic tool in secured food supply and principal means of high yields in unfavorable areas, means with well adapting seeds we need to provide with using a seed technology, and rapid rehabilitation of agriculture in cases of natural disaster. This is the role and objective of seed technology. Next, coming to differences between seed and grain. Major difference is seed is used for sowing purpose and grain is used for consumption purpose. Apart from this, in a scientific manner, let us see the difference between seed and grain. First, coming to seed, it is a well-planned seed program. Means seed is the product of well-planned seed program. From sowing up to harvesting and packaging, we have a program, and accordingly we will produce the seeds. But grain, no such program is done, and only indigenous way. In a very indigenous way, the farmer is going to produce the grain. Next, apart from that, scientific knowledge, organized effort, investment on processing, packaging, all is done in a scientific manner, and no such efforts is required in case of grains. Next, pedigree is ensured, like if you develop a variety, its parents, like which is male parent, which is female parent, or if you do a selection from which parent you have selected, all these records have to be maintained in seed, but no pedigree is ensured in case of grain. And during production, varietal purity, means physical and varietal purity has to be maintained, and drogging operation is done in order to remove the off types and other plants which is unfavorable in the seed field. This is done in case of seed and not done in case of grain. And it is scientifically processed, cleaned and packed, which is case of seed. But here no such efforts are done. It is done in a indigenous way by a farmer. Labeling is compulsory because to ensure the seed quality standards, field standards, and also the name, identification, all those things have to be mentioned on the label, class of the seed, quality standards, all those things. But labeling is not mandatory. If farmer wants, he can do, or else it is not mandatory. Next, here seed certification agency is required in case of seeds in order to ensure the quality standards and field standards, and also during processing all supervision is done by the seed certification agency, and no such agency is involved in case of grain. These are the major difference between seed and grain. Next, coming to breakthroughs in seed industry. So first we will see Friedrich Nobel first established seed testing laboratory in Germany. This is the first most important, and Friedrich Nobel is the father of seed testing. Remember it. Next, coming to 1871, seed testing laboratory established by Muller in Denmark. And in 1885, Swedish Seed Association was established. And in 1908, Association of Seed Analysts was established. And here AOSA is responsible for giving rules to seed testing standards, or it's giving the rules and standards for seed testing. Next, ICIA was established and now it is called as AOSA, and ISTA was established in July 10th, 1924, and it is responsible for providing rules and standards for certification. And another important thing is headquarters. So major AOS headquarters in Washington, ICIS headquarters is in US, and ISTA headquarters is in Zurich, Switzerland. Most important one, make a note of it please. Next, coming to history in India, seed production or seed industry history in India. So it is divided into two parts, pre-independence and post-independence. So let's have a look in pre-independence. So Famine Inquiry Committee and Food Grain Policy Committee was established, and here these two, so during pre-independence there was a food scarcity in India. To overcome that, these committees have been established to increase the food grain production. Apart from that, private seed companies was established in Quetta and Kashmir Valley, and an association was established in 1946, All India Seed Growers, Merchants and Nurserymen's Association. This is during the pre-independence era. Next, coming to post-independence era. So here, the 5-year plans. During 10 5-year plans, there is a major development in seed industry. So let's have a look from first 5-year plan. So 1952, Grow More Food Inquiry Committee was established, and it is a very important. And in 1952, Export Standing Committee was established. So make a note of it. And here, second 5-year plan is very important. So first AICRP on maize was established, important one. Then after first vegetable seed testing station was established in 1958, and after that, after first maize AICRP, next AICRP on sorghum and bajra was developed, and first hybrid maize was developed, and which is called as Ganga 1. Okay, Ganga 1 is the first hybrid maize. Next, first seed testing laboratory was established in India. So first seed testing laboratory involved in 1867 and in India in 1961. So apart from that, in third 5-year plan, National Seed Corporation was established, and which is very important. And in 1964, first hybrid sorghum, which is CSH1, was developed, and hybrid bajra, which is called HP1, hybrid bajra 1, was developed. And high yielding variety program, which is very important, make a note of it. So here, these are the major development, which is major questions or major points which will be asked in JRF and other competitive exams. Please make a note of it. Next, coming to annual plans. So here, major one is Seed Act. So the Seed Act was enacted in December 29, 1966, but came into effective on October 2nd, 1969. Next, seed rules in 1968, and seed review team is also in 1968. So here, the ICIA name was changed to AOSCA, and its headquarters is in Washington. So name changed during 1969. Apart from this, Tarai Development Program, which is very important, note this point, and this is assisted by World Bank. Next, in 1970, Mini Kit Program with paddy, and first seed certification agency was established in Maharashtra. First seed certification agency established in Maharashtra. In 1971, ISST was established, and Seed Amendment Act in 9th September, and during the Seed Amendment Act, jute was involved in Seed Act. In definition of seeds, jute was involved, and Central Seed Certification Board was established in 1972. Apart from this, Journal of Seed Research, means IAST publishes Journal of Seed Research, and newsletter Seed Tech News was published by ISST. So make a note of it. Next, coming to fifth 5-year plan. Here, National Seed Project was established in 2 phases. First phase in 4 states, Punjab, Haryana, Maharashtra, AP, and second phase in 5 states, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and Orissa. So here State Seed Corporation, so under National Seed Project, State Seed Corporation was established in first phase in Punjab, Haryana, Maharashtra, and AP, and in second phase Karnataka, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and Orissa. And in 1974, Seed Certification Agency was established in Karnataka. First in Maharashtra and second in Karnataka. Next in 1983, Seed Control Order. So here seed is included under Essential Commodity Act 1955. In 7th 5-year plan, so third phase of National Seed Project in 4 states, and in 1988, new seed policy came into existence. Next, coming to 8th and 9th 5-year plan. So here seed bank scheme and seed crop insurance, some of the schemes which came into existence. And in 2001, PPVFR Act, Protection of Plant Variety and Farmers' Right Act. So here it is very important. And here National Seed Policy 2002, and but in 1988 new seed policy. Next 10th 5-year plan, 2003 National Seed Board and Seed Quarantine Order, important one. And 2004 Seed Bill was passed, and ISOPOM came into existence. And in 2005 National Seed Research and Training Center at Varanasi, and PPVFR Act 2005 authority came into act, not act is in 2001. In 2005 authority, it is established as New Delhi, and in 2005 new seed plan came into existence. So these are the major breakthroughs, these are the major legislations came into existence. Next, coming to fathers. So father of seed pathology is Paul Neergaard, and father of seed testing is Frederick Nobe, already told, and father of seed science and technology is Rob Fraley. So these are the important points, some of the points, journals, legislations, and some of the breakthroughs in seed industry which will be helpful for your JRF exams. So guys, I hope ये वीडियो आपके लिए यूज़फुल रहेगी. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें और हमें सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.